Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to spoof your MAC address. So the first thing is to open your terminal and type ifconfig. Alright, it's gonna show you your MAC address. Here in my case, this is my MAC address and this is my interface. Now the next step is to bring down this interface. So for that, just type ifconfig, etho down, it will down this interface. And now after that, type ifconfig, etho, as told you, ether, and give any MAC address. So I'm changing this MAC address to this one, B0. Alright, now it's time to open the interface. So type ifconfig etho up, and then in the last just type ifconfig. It will show you your spoofed MAC address, and just keep one thing in mind: we are only spoofing the MAC address. We are not changing it. Alright, so that's it for this video. Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to bypass Windows password. I'm using Windows 10 in VMware. Let's explore how we can bypass the security. So the first step involves restarting the system 3-4 times for getting the advanced option. Let's see how we can do that. In this session, we'll explore the concept of sniffing through practical demonstration. Sniffing is like secretly listening conversation between two people. In the digital world, it means secretly looking at the information that's being sent between computers on the internet or a network. Now let's see the practical on it. For this video, I will be using test PHP website as an example. Please initiate your Wireshark. Just click on this icon and just initiate this Wireshark. After that, just to choose the interface, I'm choosing this one, etho. Alright, and the Wireshark is gonna start. If I click on this refresh button, it's gonna start capturing the packets, right? And if I enter here any details like my username and the password, and if I click login, it will capture the username and the password. Alright, so here if I want to see that it has captured it or not, so just pay close attention to the captured data. Alright, now within this post request, this post request, you will find the username and password. Alright, so here is the username and the password. That's it for this session. In this video, I will demonstrate how to copy any website using httrag web copier. httrag allows you to download the client-side components of a website, including HTML, CSS, JavaScript, images, multimedia files, and other assets. For this practical, I'm using this website, but you can choose any website you prefer. First, open httrag. Alright, httrag, and then click on this yes. After that, just click on this next button and then accept the agreement. Alright, and next and next, and then install. Here you guys can copy this website URL. Alright, and then click on finish. After that, it's gonna ask you the project name. Give any project name. I'm giving copy, and here just click on next. Here just give the website URL and click on next. Again next. Then it's gonna start copying all the files from that website, and when it's gonna finish, it will show you that folder name. Now click on finish. After that, just go to that folder. Here we can see that it has successfully crawled the entire website, right? So that's it for this session. Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to perform a threading attack. I will explain you how it works and provide tips on how to remain secure from it. So let's see how we can execute this attack. We know that routers keep a track of IP addresses and the corresponding MAC addresses. However, we continuously update the router MAC address table. The device table will become full and will not able to register anyone, right? So today we'll see how we can shut down any Wi-Fi network. Alright. For this practical, I'm using MacOff tool to perform a MAC threading attack. So let's start by opening the help page of MacOff tool by typing macOff-l. This will provide us with necessary information on how to use this MacOff tool. Alright. Now I'm going to perform this attack on my router, and my router IP address is 192.168.0.01. Alright. And I'll be typing macOff-I is for interface WLAN, and just give this target IP address. Alright, and just hit enter. It will start this attack. Once executed, the tool will start sending fake requests to the router, which could lead to its shutdown. Alright, so that's all for this video. Hey guys, if you want to learn how to catch hackers, then this video is for you. Today I will cover the concept of honeypot. A honeypot is essentially a trap designed to protect hackers. Just as police use various techniques to catch cyber criminals, cybersecurity experts, they employ honeypots to catch hackers. Some companies install honeypots within their network, and when hackers try to breach the company's security, the honeypot captures the attacker IP address and geolocation data. Now let's see that how we can set up a basic honeypot. I'm using this tool which is written in Ruby. First, everyone needs to install it, then execute the Ruby script by running ruby box.rb. Alright, then choose the second option, which is network tools, and after that choose this option honeypot, and then I'm gonna manually configure it. Then that's why I'm choosing second option. Insert port to open, so I'm opening 80 port, and the message that I want to show, I will be showing that I got your IP address, and do you want to save a log with intrusion, so I don't want. Do you want to create beep sound? Okay, let's activate it. So if the attacker will visit our IP address, alright, first let's check the IP address. My IP address is this one. So if attacker will visit this IP address and with port 80, attacker will get, I got your IP address, and here we got the IP address of the attacker. So in this way you can catch hackers. Alright, that's for this session. In this video we'll explore the concepts of deep web and dark web. The deep web refers to the portion of the internet that search engines do not index. It includes items such as private databases, online banking systems, and password-protected sections of website. The deep web is estimated to be 500 times larger than the surface web. For example, when you enter your username and password on the surface web, that information may be stored in the deep web, right? So it is important to note that visiting the deep web itself is not a criminal act, as it does not necessarily involve engaging in illegal activities. Now, what is dark web? Dark web is an even more secretive part of the deep web. You need special address to access it, and it's often associated with illegal activities. Engaging in illegal stuff on the dark web is a crime. So how to access dark web? For accessing dark web, we need special software such as Tor or I2P, and even these are the search engines that you need to access dark web. First is Torch, MER, Dark Search Yo, On Your Land, Not Evil, Phobos, Torgal, Tor66, Haystack, Tormax, and there are many more search engines that you can use to access dark web. Alright. So we can conclude that the deep web and the dark web are two distinct entities. Accessing the deep web is entirely illegal. However, if you engage in activities like selling drugs or other illegal actions, that falls within the dark web and it is considered a crime. That wraps up our discussion for this session. Hey guys, in this video we'll explore EXIF tool. EXIF tool is a powerful command line tool for reading, writing, and manipulating metadata in various file format, including images, audio, and video files. Here I will provide you with a list of common use EXIF tool commands and their description. Please note that EXIF tool has many options and can be used for a wide range of tasks. In this video, we will cover how to read and write metadata. To access the EXIF tool manual, you can use the following command: man and EXIF tool. It's gonna open the manual page of this EXIF tool that you can see. EXIF tool, read and write metadata information in files. Alright, so these are the things that you can read the entire description of this EXIF tool. And if you want to quit from here, you can use key option. Alright. Next thing we want to do is, alright, so now if you want to read the metadata of the image, you can use the following command: EXIF tool and the file name. Now this file can be any file, alright, so already mentioned you that this file can be image file, or it can be a video file, or you can even use a audio file, alright, and just hit enter. It's gonna show you the information of this file, the metadata of this file, that is showing us that EXIF tool version name, file name, directory, file modification date, time. Alright, these are the things that it's showing us, and even the GPS latitude and longitude. So with GPS latitude and longitude, we can determine the approximate location where image was taken. Now if you want to update the geolocation information, you can use this command: EXIF tool, GPS latitude is equal to any value you can set, alright, and GPS longitude. I'm setting this value to 75, alright, and the file name, alright. Then it's gonna update the geolocation, the latitude and longitude information, alright. So let's update this metadata. And it's showing us one image file is updated. So if we again use the same command, EXIF tool first.jpeg, then it's showing us updated metadata. Alright. So here is another command. If you want to add the metadata tags such as copyright notice, you can use this command: EXIF tool -copyright, and this is a description that we want to add in this image metadata. So yeah, it's gonna add this. Alright. The next command we have is to remove this tag. If we want to remove this copyright tag, first let's check that it has added this tag or not. So for that, just type EXIF tool first.jpeg. This is the file name, alright. So yeah, it's showing us that the copyright, this is my image, right? So let's remove this tag. For removing this tag, we have to type EXIF tool and hyphen or minus copyright Alright, copyright is equal to first.jpeg. Then it's gonna remove the tag. Alright, so it has removed the tag. I hope you have learned something from this video. That's it for the session. In this video, we'll explore Cam Hacker. Cam Hacker is a phishing tool that captures images of anyone who opens a link generated by this tool. So let's learn how to use it. First, you need to install this tool. I assume you are familiar with some basic commands for installing this tool. After successfully installing this tool, run this bash script. Alright, so let's see how we can execute this script. So just type bash and cs.sh. It's gonna execute it. And now we can choose any option. First option is for geo recharge. These all are phishing pages, sorry. And so I'm choosing the first option for geo recharge. And then it's gonna start the PHP server. Alright. So when you are installing this tool for the first time, it will install Cloudflare and then it will show you this interface. So it will take some time for starting this PHP server. It has generated these two URLs, and let's take this URL and share it to the victim. Alright, I'm sharing this to the victim. So here we can see the target has opened this link and we got the IP address of the target plus the OS that target is using, Android, right? And the next thing that we are getting is the images, alright? So if we want to see these images, we can go to that directory and we can check those images, alright? So that's it for this session. Hello everyone, in this video we'll learn how to gather information about any email address and can track it. The first thing you need is the email address. For this demonstration, I have this email that I received from this Reddit. Alright, to access this email header, first you have to click on this three dots and then click on show original, and then finally copy to clipboard. Click on this copy to clipboard button, and after that guys, you have to search on Google IP2 location email tracker. Alright, and then that's gonna open this website. Then paste the email header here and click on this lookup. Then this is gonna show you that the IP address from where this email came and all those things like the country, the region and city, coordinates, and even the ISP. Alright, so in this way you can gather the information of an email account. Alright, so that's all for this session. In this video, we'll see how to become anonymous so that no one can track us. For this tutorial, I'm using Kali Linux and the tool name is Who Am I. First, you guys have to install this tool. After installing this tool, install Makefile, and then you guys can start it. So for starting this tool, type Kali Who Am I --start. So let's check the help page for this tool. For that, -l. It's gonna show you the help page for this tool. So to start this tool, we have to type -start, and to stop the tool, we have to type -stop. And it's gonna show you the status for this tool. Next thing is to fix the repair the system in case of possible bug. So let's start this tool. For starting it, type Kali Who Am I -start, and then it's gonna start it. So this tool is having many features and this tool is gonna make you anonymous, right? So let's enable the first option. To enable the option, we have to choose the option. Like if I want to enable the first option, I need to choose the first option. Alright, but if I want to disable the option, I have to select the same option. Alright, so you guys can select all this option. After selecting these all options, just restart this operating system. After restarting it, it's gonna change your IP address, MAC address, and all these things that you have selected here. So that's all for this video. In this video, we'll explore the concept of keylogger. First, let's understand what a keylogger is. Keylogger is a tool that can capture the keystrokes you make. If someone has installed a keylogger on your device, it will capture everything you type, including your passwords. So to demonstrate this concept practically, I will be using a simple keylogger. You guys can install this keylogger, just clone it. After that, we have to install the requirements, and as we know, pip3 install requirements.txt. After installing all the requirements, you have to run this Python script, use Python 3 keylogger.py, and now if you enter anything, it's gonna, it's gonna store it in a log file. Like if I enter here Instagram, then it will make a file in the same directory. It will create a .log file and it's gonna store that Instagram. Alright, and whatever I will type, it will store in this log file. So that's all about the today's session. Hey guys, in this video we'll explore how to gather information about a person using just their username. For this I will be using Sherlock, a tool that helps us to search for the username across multiple platforms to collect information about the person. The first thing, you guys have to install this tool. Once you have installed it, you can start it, alright, using Python. Before starting this tool, first install all the requirements using pip3 install -r requirements.txt. Then it's gonna install all the requirements, and then after that you can start this tool, Sherlock, or Python 3 Sherlock, and then it will open the help page for this tool. So here we just have to provide the username like Rahul. Then it's gonna search that username on various platforms, so like 7cups, 8tracks, about.me, and many more platforms. Like this you can gather information about the person. Alright, so that's it for this session. Hey guys, in this video we will be tackling this lab. Within this Try Hack Me room, there are total 3 tasks that we will be completing. First and foremost, let's understand what a SOC analyst is. So think of them as the cybersecurity guardians of an organization. Their job is to protect computer systems and network from cyber threats. Just like a security team guarding a physical building, SOC analysts are responsible for monitoring, detecting, and responding to digital threats in real time. So let's explore these tasks one by one. The first task that we have is a career as a security analyst, as a junior security analyst. In the junior security analyst, you will be a trig specialist. Alright, you will be spending a lot of time trigging or monitoring the event logs and alerts. These will be your responsibility. Alright, the next thing, there are the required qualifications and the certification that is needed to become a junior security analyst. Alright, so here are the tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 analyst. So the first question that we have is, what will be your role as a junior security analyst? So the role, you will be a trig specialist. So just enter this. A role will be a trig as specialist and just submit it. Yeah, our answer is correct. The next thing is, so the next task that we have is Security Operations Center. What exactly is SOC? So I hope guys you can read this entire paragraph. Alright, what is included in the responsibility of SOC: ticketing, log collection, knowledge base, research and development, aggregation and correlation, threat intelligence, SAME, and reporting. Alright, so here have you read the above, so just click on this completed. So we have successfully completed 2 tasks. The next task that we have is a day in the life of junior security analyst. So let's click on this one, view site. Alright, so to understand the job responsibility for junior security analyst, let us first show you what a day in the life of junior security analyst look like and why this is an exciting career journey. So read this paragraph and then just come to these questions. The first question that they ask us, click on the green view site button. We already clicked on that. So we have completed this one. We have completed this task. The next one is, what was the malicious IP in the alerts? So here, find the malicious IP address from the alerts, make sure of it, and then click on the alert to proceed. So here they mention the date and the message that we got in the alert log. Alright, on 16th of July 2021, successfully SSH authentication attempt to port 22 from this IP address. So let's know this IP address. And the next thing is unauthorized connection attempt detected from this IP. So just click on this one and it's gonna ask you, check the IP address that we just copied now. So enter that IP address and just click on the submit. It's gonna show you that this IP is malicious or not. Yeah, it's showing us this IP is found in our database and this IP is malicious, that 100% malicious is showing us, right? So then the thing that we have to do is just paste this IP address and just click on the submit button. Question correctly. The next question that they asked us, to whom did you escalate the event associated with the malicious IP address? So for that, just click on this next button and then they're gonna show us these 4 options that choose to whom you would escalate this event. The first is sales executive, security consultant, information security architecture. So we know that SOC team lead is gonna escalate this event. Alright, so just choose the staff member and click on the next button. So what was his name? His name was Will Graffin. So copy his name and just paste it here and click on submit. Yeah, we answered it correctly. The next question that we have is, after blocking the malicious IP address on the firewall, what message did you receive? What message did the malicious sector leave for you? So copy this IP address and then we have to block this IP address. Alright, so click on block IP address and this is a message we are getting after blocking this IP address. After blocking the malicious IP address on the firewall, what message did the malicious sector leave for you? And click on submit. Yeah, so we have completed this lab, this room successfully. Hope you guys have learned something in this lab, and that's it for this session. In this video, we'll explore how to create anonymous chat rooms. I will be using the website hack.chat to demonstrate the process. So here, click on this link and then it's gonna open this page and it's asking that nickname. So here you can enter any nickname. I'm entering Joker and then click on OK. It's gonna create the user with name Joker. Then you guys have to share this link with your friend or with any person to whom you want to chat. So let's, after sharing this link with the other person, when the other person is gonna visit this URL, then it's gonna ask for the nickname. If I enter here this train and we click on the OK, it will show here Strain has joined the chat. And if I share here any message like hi, who are you, right, so the other person can see those chat and can even respond hello. So this way you can chat with any person. That's all for this session. Guys, in this video we'll explore a tool and this tool name is Infuse. This tool is an information gathering tool and this tool is having many features. It can gather information on any Instagram account, subdomain scanner, port scanner, user recon, mail finder, URL scanner, and many more things this tool can do. Alright, so let's see how we can use this tool. If you want to install this tool, first the requirements you have to install. First thing, you have to install Node.js. For installing Node.js, you can use this command apt get install Node.js, and this command will install Node.js. And then, but if you are installing this in Termux, then you can use this command. Now the next thing is, if you are installing this on Linux, then you can use this command. npm install infuse -g -s, then it's gonna install that infuse. Alright, and now let's see that how we can use this tool. So if you are using this tool, then just type infuse, that's it, and then it's gonna start infuse. As you can see, there are lots of options in this tool: user recon, email finder, user agent, who is info, install recon, IP lookup, port scan, website age. Alright, so we are gonna try this one, the install recon. So for that I will be choosing the 5th option, and then it's asking for the username, so I'm taking my username, hacker_strain. Yeah, just in seconds it gave the results, right? The biography, blocked by viewer, and any more information about this account. Alright, so that's all for this session.